Imagine regaining your reading ability at 79 years old. A groundbreaking study reveals that 80% of patients experienced vision improvements after a year. But is this too good to be true? In a trial across Europe, elderly individuals tested a novel approach to combat vision loss. The secret? A wafer-thin chip and smart glasses. The New England Journal of Medicine published the study, detailing an electronic retinal implant for age-related macular degeneration (AMD) patients. With an average age of 79, 38 participants with advanced dry AMD underwent implant surgery and rehabilitation. The results? A remarkable 80% showed significant progress after a year, improving their ability to read, navigate, and identify objects. AMD is a leading cause of vision loss in older adults, affecting the central retina and impairing detailed vision. Globally, around 200 million people suffer from AMD, with risk increasing sharply with age. The study focused on dry AMD, which progresses slowly and has fewer treatment options compared to wet AMD. Here's the fascinating part: the implant is a tiny, light-sensitive chip placed beneath the retina, thinner than a human hair. Paired with augmented reality glasses and a waist-worn computer, the system captures video and projects infrared patterns onto the implant. This light is converted into electrical signals, stimulating retinal cells and sending visual information to the brain. But it's not magic. Patients underwent months of training to interpret these new signals. They practiced letter recognition and edge detection, similar to learning a new language. The hard work paid off, as many patients reported faster reading and better navigation. However, the system currently provides black and white vision, with plans to enhance grayscale contrast for improved face recognition. While retina specialists applaud the innovation, they caution against overinterpretation. The study lacked a control group, and motivation and rehabilitation may have influenced results. Critics suggest a control group receiving glasses and training without the implant to isolate its effects. Larger, controlled trials are needed to convince regulators and ensure real-world benefits. The researchers admit that the system won't restore perfect vision but aim to help patients surpass legal blindness. Their goals include better face and emotion recognition, enhanced grayscale processing, and higher resolution implants. Animal studies show promise for higher density arrays, but safety and reliability in humans are essential. For those with advanced dry AMD, this technology offers hope for functional improvements. Patients can expect surgery, followed by months of visual rehabilitation. The current system provides black and white vision, with potential software upgrades. Practical goals include reading menus, recognizing faces, and moving safely at home. As with any eye surgery, risks include infection and retinal detachment. The study reported acceptable safety, but larger trials will ensure consistent results. Access will depend on regulatory approval and healthcare reimbursement. The technology's cost is significant but may be offset by reduced care needs. Dry AMD differs from wet AMD, which is caused by abnormal blood vessels. While injections slow wet AMD damage, the implant targets dry AMD patients with limited treatment options. Ophthalmologists will select candidates with stable retinas, sufficient residual pathways, and commitment to rehabilitation. Preoperative assessments will likely include contrast sensitivity and mobility goals. While waiting for this technology, AMD patients can use low vision aids like high-contrast lamps and electronic magnifiers. Quitting smoking, a balanced diet, and regular eye checks are essential. For family members managing AMD, consult a specialist about upcoming studies and rehabilitation. Combining the implant with existing low vision strategies and a structured home training plan can lead to lasting improvements. Stay tuned for trials with control groups and software updates to enhance grayscale and reduce lag. Engineers aim for durable implants without frequent surgeries. If successful, this technology could revolutionize vision care for AMD patients, offering a brighter future for those facing vision loss.